There isn't one roadmap to success. Anyone who says there is also has a bridge to sell you. There are, however, the John C. Maxwell 17 Laws of Teamwork that establish a way of being and understanding that leaders can harness to set the atmosphere for extreme success. Maxwell's 17 Laws of Teamwork are the breath of clarity your organization must have in order to operate at the highest levels of your industry. Learn to own the simple truths like the law of significance, which says that leaders who fail to promote teamwork undermine their own potential. And master the law of the catalyst, which helps you find the doers who take action and incite team members to do the same. You will find that the laws bring the clarity you need to promote brilliant, effective, and efficient teamwork in your company. Invest in your team by learning the power of John Maxwell's 17 Laws of Teamwork, so you can unleash the wealth-generating creative power hidden within your company.